Hi, ladies and gentlemen. How are you? This is Mahwa Shajaz. As always, you're watching me on YouTube and you're listening to me on Spotify. As always, we have our drama roundups with Sadaf Heather. We are very happy that we are doing it as a regular thing. Sadaf has I have sprained my ankle and Sadaf has hurt her foot. So, because you guys mean so much to us and we enjoy your feedback so much, we decided, कि नहीं, we'll plow through this pain and we'll continue with our drama roundup. So, Sadaf, Assalamu alaikum. Thank you so much for giving me your time despite all the craziness.
Walaikum salam. I always enjoy talking to you, and I love the feedback we get on dramas. So
Yes, and it's always like it's one of our, the thing we love talking about, right? So it doesn't feel like work, and that's why we do this. Believe me, nobody's paying us. Anyway, so Sadaf, I want to start with Manjogi.
Acha.
Hmm.
Why?
Because
Why Manjogi?
Why Manjogi? Because it kind of like hit me like a truck. I wasn't expecting it to hit me like a truck because I had written it off, kind of like I was like, okay,
Acha.
I'm not, because I think we've talked about it. It didn't really. I kept saying that it was the same Bag of Tricks by Kashif Nisar. So it felt sad because it was an important topic. So I felt like he was just like, oh, using the same actors, same set, same grading, same kind of style of OSTs, camera shots. So I felt like it was just
It was
him
formulaic. हमने
formulaic.
कहा
And
था last time. Yeah.
हाँ, और मुझे लगा था कि ये क्यों इन्होंने इतनी लेजी चीज की है, बिकॉज वो इतने क्रिएटिव आदमी है। तो सवाल उठ रहा था मेरे जहन में। तो इसलिए मैंने सारे ड्रामे से मैं कैचअप, सारे जो मेरे बाकी फेवरेट हैं उनसे मैंने कैचअप कर लिया। फिर मैंने आई जस्ट सॉ एपिसोड 5 एंड आई वाज ब्लोन अवे। सदफ, आई rewinded scenes, saw them again. I was like, oh, where was this? Like, maybe you should have picked up on this, or maybe you should have uh, kind of told your audience that, wait, this is coming. It's not going to be the same two people running around in circles. So in this particular episode, we see Ibrahim and Alia running away from Chaudhry Shabir, as they've been running since the first episode. That Halala thing is still going on. Shabir is still mad. His mother is still in a better. Alia's brother and his bhabi are awful people as well. And one important thing that they highlighted was how women's honor kind of becomes it's not really about women's honor. It's just about how
Thank you.
Yes, it's always used as a
It's a
trick.
financial issue.
It's a financial issue. It's an ego issue.
Right.
It's an issue about keeping face in front of other people. Look, I've kept my wife in line. Look, she's so happy with me. But in God forbid, if you are not the best person in the world, and she decides to, do what she needs to do, then then it's all about your honor, right? So that's one issue that they tackled beautifully, and props to Zafar Mehraj. The other thing which was just blew me away was how it tackled a topic which not a lot of dramas go near. And pulpy dramas को भूल ही जाए ना, लेकिन even जो हमारे serious ड्रामे होते हैं वो उन पे इतनी बात नहीं करते, and that is the topic of minorities. Yes, not blasphemy, really. They don't really go near blasphemy as much as they go near the fact that mob violence kills, and how, and it kills so many innocent people and people who have nothing to do with anything really. So there is a particular track where it's revealed that Sabina Farooq's father, that is Alia's father, died protecting a Christian family in a church where mobs were heading towards them. And sort of the dialogue is completely in Punjabi. I think it refers to the Joseph Colony incident where, the mob burned down.
Right. I think one of the protagonists is called Yusuf, isn't he? One of
yes,
the
in one of the scenes,
caretaker.
yes, and it's Tanveer Hussain Saab, who I've had the honor of meeting and interviewing at Dubai International Film Festival
Brilliant actor.
7 years ago, and I'm so happy that he's in everything. He's one of those actors you don't see him at all, and then you suddenly see him in everything. Everything he is in is a delight. Like, he's in Gentleman, he's in Zat Patto Ka Ban, he's in now he's in Manjogi. Every scene he is in, it's goosebumps. And this particular scene,
in those days, people, they didn't try to be stars so much. Look at the versatility, right? Gentleman में वो politician बने हैं Sindh में, and then here he's a Christian, lower middle class, barely surviving.
And Tanveer Saab's brilliance and Tahira Imam Saiba is there, and they are playing this couple who wants to protect Alia. And as you see that Bilal Abbas's character is a good Muslim, and they talk about how Alia's father died as a martyr because he tried to save these people from an angry mob. And it's wonderful. It's just wonderful to see that, because there is a haunting scene where Alia's father, just another non-known actor, is moving towards, and that shot is why Kashif Nisar is Kashif Nisar. Like, I wish that was what he had gripped more, rather than all the other stuff that we've seen him do before. Like, there's a shot of him slowly moving towards the crowd, and you don't see the crowd, you don't see faces, you just see shimmering torches.
Mob.
It's not, there are no faces, you just see torches in the bouquet. It's called a bokeh. It's called a bouquet. It's a camera term where you see the small, the blurred things in the background. So the blurred images in the back is where the mob is, and this man is heading towards it. Kind of reminded me of Hamza Sohail's scene in Badshah Begum, where also the topic of mob justice was tackled, and my child is screaming in the background. So what I want to truly commend the team of Manjogi. I want to truly commend Sultana Siddiqui, and that's where you see where Sultana Siddiqui came in. That's the moment you're like, oh yeah, that is where we see that signature style. We saw that in Zindagi Gulzar Hai, we saw that in her earlier work. Manjogi blew me away in episode 5. So sorry I went on for so long, but it it was just so good, and it made me want to cry. It made me want to give everybody a hug, and it made me want to take back all the criticisms. But I just wish that it had happened in a better way. Like, I wish that it maybe उनकी marketing off थी. वो समझ नहीं आया मुझे कि क्यों वो उस तरह इम्पैक्ट नहीं बना सका.
If they had told, अगर इन लोगों ने हमें सब कुछ पहले बता देते तो हम लोगों ने भी तंग पड़ जाना था. मुंह पे पड़ते रहते हैं. We get annoyed जब पूरी किस्सा कहानी जो है वो टीजर और ट्रेलर्स में मिल जाता है, right?
ये भी है, बिल्कुल.
I think we have to understand that the class that they're showing, the class, right?
Oh, Sadaf, by the way, the dialogue is completely in Punjabi. There is no Urdu dialogue, and that is like adds to the authenticity of like the reality of the people. Yeah, sorry, carry on.
Right, the class that they're showing, ये लोग lower middle class, barely surviving, barely making ends meet, पता नहीं कल रोटी होगी कि नहीं, बिजली का बिल दे सकते हैं कि नहीं. They meet each other every day. उनके लिए nobody is a stranger, nobody is अच्छा जी तुम्हारा मजहब ऐसा है, because
बिल्कुल यही बात की है उन्होंने जी, बिल्कुल यही बात की है.
When I go to Pakistan, beauticians आती हैं, जाती हैं, etc. Aestheticians वो हमारे घर आई हैं, etc. I don't ask अच्छा तुम ऐसा आई हो. I think something happened, somebody was fasting on a different day, and I said it's not Ramzan, क्यों कह रहे हो कि ये रोजा रख रही है?
लेंट वगैरह का होता है ना.
It was Lent. It was Lent, right? And and people were respectful of that. They didn't say अच्छा तो हमें क्या. And majority of people are, लेकिन these crowds, these mobs, पता नहीं कहाँ से आते हैं.
नहीं, होते हैं इस तरह के एलिमेंट्स, फ्रिंज एलिमेंट्स होते हैं जो कि ट्रबल मेकर्स होते हैं. हर माशरे में होते हैं. हमारे यहाँ
but no, they are encouraged. I know that our politicians encourage these, क्योंकि पता नहीं किस वक्त कब इस मॉब की.
ये तो सालों से हो रहा है. ये तो सालों से हमारे यहाँ जो भी लोग ताकत में रहे हैं उन्होंने इस तरह के एलिमेंट्स को इस्तेमाल किया है दूसरों को प्रेशराइज करने के लिए. इस तरह के टॉपिक्स यूज होते हैं, सेंसिटिव टॉपिक्स, जिनके ऊपर मैं बात नहीं करना चाहूंगी, लेकिन वो टॉपिक्स यूज होते हैं दूसरों को जदोकोब करने के लिए, दूसरों को अपनी बात मनवाने के लिए. और जमीनों के झगड़े होते हैं, दूसरे झगड़े होते हैं. जैसे हमने ऑनर को देखा ना यूज होते हुए, वैसे ये इश्यूज भी यूज होते हैं अपनी मजमूम मकासद को इस्तेमाल करने के, वो उनको हासिल करने के लिए. लेकिन मुझे जो अच्छी लगी ना बात सदफ, वो ये थी कि जब आप एक अच्छा स्टोरी उठाते हो, एक अच्छी मजेदार, क्योंकि माइनॉरिटीज के ऊपर पहले बात करने की कोशिश की है लोगों ने, लेकिन ना वो एक्टर अच्छा लेते हैं, ना वो डायरेक्टर उस प्रॉब्लम को समझ पाता है. और एक तो मुझे ये मजा नहीं आता जब हमारे यहाँ क्रिश्चियंस को हम तुम्हारा टाइम कैसे लेगा, हम तुम्हारे साथ ऐसे बात करें. वो गोवा के थोड़ी होते हैं.
Import वो नहीं है. What did Vase say? पराई बरात लाने की जरूरत नहीं है. That was way back. He said like this, there's something going on in India, so we have to superimpose it onto Pakistan.
No.
Right? And this is that all that tumko ye wo, they don't talk like that.
No. I mean, my
Right?
friends in
They
Karachi
are
who were
Pakistani.
my friends in Karachi who were Hindus and
Yeah.
Christians talk like me. And people
Right.
I've met in Punjab who are Christians talk like Punjabis. So
Right.
what's with the weird, like, oh, hamara saab humko bolega, and even there is we'll talk about Bismil also. So Bismil में भी एक Christian character है जो कि नुमान इजाज की एक assistant play कर रही है. Thank God she's dressed a bit in an orthodox way, which I'll give it a pass because yes, Karachi Christians do sometimes dress like that.
Achha,
But she talks normally. Okay, yeah, no, because Karachi has those, they have those Parsi communities and they're older. But Karachi is a very old city, so उस ज़माने की communities में कुछ हैं orthodox ways of dressing. But she talks normally, at least, thank God. So, so at least please, anybody who's moving away from those stereotypes, thank you. We don't want any more of those ridiculous Amar Akbar Anthony stereotypes. We're done with that, okay? Please stop doing.
It was a good movie.
It was a good movie, fun movie, one of my favorites.
But it doesn't work in our context.
I mean, like, yeah, stop doing those archaic Bollywood stuff. Yeah. So that's my take on Manjogi.
No, I really enjoyed it. I have to say, as you said, this week, brilliant episode. But I mean, we were expecting that. But still, thoda sa hatke us formula se, I'll say it again. Please, Kashif Nisar sir, please, color gradation jo hai na,
बदल लें थोड़ी सी, evolve करवा लें.
It's okay. Right?
अच्छा.
And what I noticed was that it's always the jump to honor killing in this sense as well. Honor ka masla, ghairat ka masla, right? Why is it that the brother and the bhabhi do not believe the girl they knew for years, but suddenly they believe this Chaudhry Shabir, who they know is not a safe character? And I was thinking about it, because it's convenient.
Yes.
It's convenient.
बोझ है ना, आपने तो बोला ना ये बात बिल्कुल सही आपने पिक किया कि फाइनेंशियल है ना उनका मसला. Financial I think we need to go to Jaffa from this because we see a well-off family kind of standing up for their daughter, the father in Zara's case. इसके ऊपर बात करते हैं, but आपने जो ये वाली point उठाया ना, financial issue tying to the honor issue, वो गरीब से दोनों मियाँ बीवी हैं, उन्होंने कहा भाई जान छुड़ाओ, उसको कौन पालेगा? फिर वो कहती भी है आलिया कि मैं यहाँ कैसे रहूंगी.
It's not just financial in that sense. वो बार-बार आलिया कहती नहीं है, भाई मेरा खड़ा नहीं हो सकेगा इनके शबीर के सामने.
वो उसके मुंह पे भी कहती है कि तुम नहीं स्टैंड लोगे. बिल्कुल.
वो अंदर से भाई के चेहरे से साफ पता, the way he lets them kind of slip away and kind of like, नहीं इतना, अगर उसको सचमुच यकीन होता कि yes she's doing this, he would have been a little bit more adamant.
अच्छा, और आप एक और चीज देखें ना कि वो जब बिलाल अब्बास का कैरेक्टर उसको धक्का देता है पीछे, और आप एक डायकोटमी नोट करें कि बिलाल अब्बास का कैरेक्टर एक वीक लड़का दिखाया ना, मतलब गरीब वीक. सो उसमें भी आप ये चीज नोट करते हो कि देखो यू डोंट हैव टू बी,
नहीं है वो आजिज है. He is a very
नहीं वीक है ना, थोड़ा सा पीछे हट जाता है. अग्री कर लिया उसने सिचुएशन में आने को, थोड़ा सा वीक तो है वो.
I think he's under pressure because he's a humble person, and this we can see as the story unfolds. Na, he's a very humble person. He has no want to, he's grateful. वो ना मैंने आपका नमक खाया when I had
अच्छा, वो नमक हलाली वाला मसला. अच्छा,
शबीर चौधरी शबीर was his brother. प्यार करते थे. I mean, जैसे भी करते थे, and people are grateful for that. And this is all that I've known. So I'm not sure he's weak, because when he pushes her brother back, suddenly stands
you see
tall.
that.
That's a different man.
You see that. That's a different man.
Very
Agreed.
different man standing
what
there.
And what a performance by Bilal, yaar. Every time he does something like these, he understands to pick his moments so well, and he can deliver so well.
And you can tell he's a star. Star है ना, तो थोड़ा सा वो charisma
और
भी है.
और आ जाता है.
चाहे मुंह होके बैठा हुआ है, चाहे उसको
काजल
कोई
लगाया हुआ है, बाल
बनाए,
ऐसे हुए
टोपी
हैं.
पहनी है, प्यारा लग रहा है.
हाँ, प्यारा लगे. वो स्टार है भाई.
वो है ही प्यारा. उसकी
हाँ, वो प्यारा भी है. उसकी आंखें काजल लगा के, और वल्नरेबल, और उसकी वो पूरी एक ब्यूटी जो होती है एक कैरेक्टर की, और एक हीरो की जो ब्यूटी होती है वो दिख रही है.
Very manly beauty, by the way.
Very manly beauty. He's a very good looking boy, but so talented. Like, I'm just like in awe of his talent.
Well, I'm jealous of his eyelashes, right? In what was that drama before? I'm always jealous of his eyelashes. They always get them. They're not deserves them.
Yeah. Well, my brother also has very great eyelashes. But yeah, my mom is like, dekha iski eyelashes kitni achhi hai. I'm like, well, what is he going to do with them?
It's always the brother or they always get them.
Yeah. So, Sadaf, I want to move to Jaffa because we just talked about how brothers
So we really enjoyed Manjogi. You think it's redeemed itself?
Yeah,
You think it's
120%.
redeemed itself from the
120%. And I took this opportunity to talk about it specifically because I had written it off. Please don't write it off. Please go watch it. If you've missed the episodes, if you didn't feel like watching it, start from afresh. It's just, I think it's a mini series. I don't think there'll be a lot of episodes. This is not something you want to miss.
I'm kind of shocked there's so much Punjabi in it. That's what I
it's
love,
all Punjabi.
right?
That dialogue
Punjabi,
is all
right?
Punjabi between the characters, and it's just really good. And speaking of Jaffa, again talking to the point of how families kind of defend or not defend women when they are in trouble, and how honor becomes something to play around with, or again to satisfy a man's ego. I think that scene, I think you tweeted about it also, and it really made me think that Shamil Khan ka jo kirdar hai,
heartbreaking.
It was heartbreaking. It was two things were very important to me in that in terms of Zara's arc. Was one where she claps back to him, is really upset, and there's like it's like she makes us.
Did you notice she didn't do the stupid thing जो हमारे ड्रामों में होता है, मैं वापस थप्पड़ मारूंगी. She knows this is a violent man, right? And she steps back. She calms the situation down.
She's not that girl. She's not that girl. And she's and when she makes this deep guttural sound when she's crying, and she's trying to, and she's just telling him that look at what you've done, like look at the whole scope of what you've done, right? And I thought that Zara was Mawra was fabulous as Zara. I thought that
Mawra was amazing.
Yeah, she understood the whole flow of the situation, and Muhib was also amazing. Shamil Khan deserves props too.
There was an element of shock as well. I think Mawra में थोड़ा सा she brought that element of वो नहीं होता कि हुआ क्या मेरे साथ, ये क्या
you just
हुआ?
take the wind knocked out of you.
Because she was kind of cool as well, and she knew that yes, I have to get out of here, but she didn't make a hangama or shore. Was मैं आपको घर जाके बताऊंगी, अच्छा चले हम चले यहाँ से, and hey, ये इस आदमी ने तुमने,
she responded like a real girl.
Do you see the contrast though in the two families?
Yeah.
There's something with Jaffa is always triggering to me every week. Thank you, Smira Fazal. Every week there's a trigger in Jaffa for me.
Yeah. What was this time?
This time it was like I was looking at the contrast, right? Of Mawra, yani ke Dr. Zara ke parents, and then you look at Dibu's parents. Dibu's parents are supposed to be inspired by Zara. वो चाहते थे दीबू उसी की तरह बने, पढ़ा रहे थे, etc. Look at their totally different reactions. डॉक्टर ज़ारा के पेरेंट्स जो है वो उसको सुना के उस लड़के को आते हैं, and the way Shamail Khan was crying, I mean my heart, वो नहीं है, मैं रोना शुरू हो गई थी. I couldn't stand it. आप इतनी मेहनत अपनी बेटी के ऊपर या बेटे के ऊपर, because by the way I have seen several cases of women perpetrating domestic violence. So I don't shy away from saying that आप अपने बेटे और बेटी को बेटी या बेटे को इतना precious रखते हैं, and then someone degrades them, and there's something about domestic violence in which you suddenly, the person who is the victim suddenly turns into इसने कुछ किया होगा. I couldn't believe the dadi's reaction. Right? And then on the flip side, you have Dibu's parents के चाहे Numan कैसा भी है, you'll go to him. लोग क्या कहेंगे. And they even blaming Dr. Zara.
भाई उनको तो everybody is to blame except themselves. मतलब वो बाप तो फिर भी थोड़े से उसके अंदर इंसाइट है, बट माँ को तो कहते हैं वापस जाओ वापस जाओ वापस जाओ वापस जाओ, और वो कोई बिग पिक्चर देख नहीं रही है. मतलब ठीक है वो थोड़ा बहुत होती है कि नुमेर अच्छा है सही है, लेकिन उसको तो सिर्फ यही पड़ी है कि किसी तरह ये कंट्रोल में आ जाए, समेटा जाए रायते को ना. अब आप बिल्कुल सही कह रही हैं सदफ कि इतनी मेहनत से इंसान औलाद पालता है, और फिर जब इस तरह के कैरेक्टर्स आपको लाइफ में मिल जाते हैं. मैं मंजोगी से इसलिए कंपैरिजन भी करना चाह रही थी कि देखें, हम कहते हैं कि अमीर घरों में ये नहीं होता, ये तो जाहिलाना चीजें होती हैं, मारना पीटना, मगर मैं कहती हूँ कि अमीरी गरीबी का ऑनर से कोई खास ताल्लुक नहीं होता है कुछ हद तक शायद कह सकते हैं।
माइंडसेट, इट्स द माइंडसेट।
माइंड मैं इसलिए थोड़ा लीवे इसलिए देती हूँ क्योंकि देखिए फाइनेंशियल फ्रीडम औरत को ये अलाउ करती है कि ठीक है मैं नहीं रहूंगी तुम्हारे साथ, वो ऑप्शंस वेज पाथवेज एवेन्यूज उसको मिल जाते हैं। अगर उसके पास तालीम हो पैसा हो तो माँ बाप भी सपोर्ट कर सकते हैं। लेकिन जैसे आपने कहा माइंडसेट, माइंडसेट बहुत क्रिटिकल है। अगर हमारे पास जैसे शामिल खान का जो माइंडसेट है, जो बाप है उसका जारा का, उसके बाप का जो माइंडसेट है वो है कि तुमने मेरी बेटी को हाथ कैसे लगाया,
तुम्हारी
फादर्स
जुर्रत
नीड टू,
कैसे हुई?
जुर्रत कैसे हुई तुमने, हाउ डेयर यू, यू नो आई यूज एवरीथिंग आई हैव टू प्रोटेक्ट माई डॉटर फ्रॉम पीपल लाइक यू। दिस इज what we don't understand when we are empowering our daughters. हम कहते हैं हमने बेटी को पढ़ा दिया, अब जाए ये दुनिया में जाके जो है ना वो जो है वो जाके टार्जन बन जाए। भाई ऐसा नहीं होता, दुनिया तो नहीं है ना ऐसी, हमें कुछ ना कुछ करके अपने आप को भी ऐसा रखना है कि वी विल नेवर लेट गो ऑफ आवर डॉटर्स साइड, वी विल नेवर जस्ट थ्रो आवर डॉटर इनटू द अबिस एंड वेट फॉर हर टू लर्न हाउ टू स्विम। ऐसा
लेकिन
नहीं हो
दीपू
सकता।
के पेरेंट्स आर लाइक दिस, द
Yeah,
मदर,
they are
मुझे
like this.
उसकी माँ का, नादिया अफगन, वी लव यू, यू
Yeah,
ऑलवेज द बेस्ट, राइट?
yeah.
उसकी जो जो फोन कॉल करती है, देखो तुम्हारी जिम्मेवारी है, तुम
और वो
चली जाओ
कितनी
अपनी
घटिया
बेटी के
हरकत है
साथ,
यार कि वो नुमैर को बोलती जाओ तुम भी
राइट?
जाके उसकी पूरी कॉन्वर्जेशन सुनो।
तो
लाइक व्हाट इज
चली
रॉन्ग विद
जाना,
यू वुमन।
तुम्हारी बीवी है, तुम्हारी मर्जी है,
एंड
लेकिन
आप
जो,
नोटिस करें सदफ, शी इज नॉट
या
ट्रस्टिंग हर डॉटर टू डू द राइट थिंग स्टिल।
या
She didn't trust her daughter
well,
when she
come on,
said,
वो अलग बात है, दीबू इज लाइक एन फायरवर्क,
बट
राइट?
सदफ वो
वो
सुनते भी
अलग
तो नहीं थे ना
बात है।
अपनी बेटी की, कुछ भी
हाँ
नहीं
हाँ,
सुनते थे, इसीलिए वो स्टूपिड हरकतें और करती थी जाके। वो उसको
या
पुश करे जा रहे, पुश करे जा रहे, पुश करे जा रहे, तो
नहीं,
एक
बट
तो
हैव यू नोटिस शी नेवर वंस सेड कि दीपू का फादर साथ आएगा,
हम्म,
मैं जाऊंगी,
हाँ।
जैसे मेरी कोई जिम्मेदार, जो मर्जी कर लो। एंड दिस इज व्हाट ड्रोव मी नट्स, कि आपने ना पे साइन किया हुआ, आपकी तो बेटी ही नहीं है, वो जो 25 years वो आपके साथ, 23 whatever years she spent with you, oh that's all over, भाई
Yeah,
तुम्हारी बीवी है, तुम जानो अपना काम। And this is not a traditionalist thinking. I have a feeling that this is the actual dysfunction in their family. It's going to come up because this is Samira Fazal. I think we'll get,
she will
she's a brilliant
explain,
writer.
she will
So
explain,
she will
yes.
explain it. So there are parents like this.
अच्छा, हमें कमेंट्स
वो,
आ रहे थे, किसी ने
yeah,
कमेंट किया कि नुमैर
yeah.
एंड दीबू का रोमांस आर क्रिंज। भाई कौन है आप लोग? अपनी रियल आईडी से आए जरा पहले मुझे बताएं, ताकि मैं आप लोगों को तो देखूं कि आप लोग की शक्लें कैसी हैं, आप लोग के घर कैसे, क्या होता है आप लोग के घरों में। मुझे तो नहीं लगता कि वो क्रिंज है, बिल्कुल भी नहीं, मुझे लगता है कि वो बहुत स्वीट
तो
आदमी
क्या,
है।
I thought it was kind of cute, वो सीढ़ियों के ऊपर
वो
जा रहे
कितना
होते हैं दोनों
स्वीट
बड़ी
आदमी है,
सिला में
अगला
ना,
अगला
and
प्रोमो
he
कितना
offers
प्यारा है
her a
यार।
jalebi. He
हम्म,
offers her a jalebi. It was
हम्म,
very cool, very calm. But what I missed, okay, and this is my complaint, okay,
हम्म,
and people will say, Sadav, you're nitpicking, but after watching something like Stand Up Girl, other dramas, and particularly Stand Up Girl, I mean, it set the bar so high,
हम्म,
right? That we needed a conversation there between Moise.
हम्म,
ये जो है ना, दीपू की moral outrage, वो
हम्म,
मुझे, it was annoying me. Hey, you committed suicide for this boy.
yeah,
अब
yeah, we've talked
explain
about
you
this,
in
yes.
something more than
Yeah,
this.
yeah, yeah,
ये
yeah.
ना
Don't, you don't have the high
mainstream,
ground here. Yeah, yeah,
right? You
yeah.
don't have any high ground, my lady, but you don't have a high ground as a wife, but you have a high ground as a human being.
बिल्कुल.
Hey, if she had spoken honestly and that conversation was necessary, I
Hmm.
realized, but we are not allowed that because this is kind of like a prime time hum TV drama, and everybody has to be sanctimonious and good, right? And I think Numair deserved a lot more.
I think that people like Numair are few and far between, but people who find
नहीं
Umair and
होते हैं,
but
लेकिन
people who
rare.
find Umair and Dibu's love story annoying or not to their taste, I think they're missing why people are enjoying it, and I think why people are loving it is because you want to see romance like this. You don't want to see men slapping women and then women falling in love with them and then men forcing their way into their hearts. It's not about forcing your way into their bodies, their hearts, their lives. You have to allow a woman to be empowered enough, to be sane enough. And this is what I love about Numair taking it, in that way कि भाई तुम डिसाइड करो कि तुम्हें क्या करना है, तुम्हें डिवोर्स चाहिए, ओके जाओ, तुम्हें रहना है तुम रहो, तुम्हें क्या चाहिए, वो बार बार ये सवाल करता है. एंड आई थिंक समीरा हैज डन सच अ गुड जॉब इन ट्राइंग टू एक्सप्लेन दैट टू, मतलब शी इज लिटरली आई थिंक ऑलमोस्ट स्पून फीडिंग इट टू अस बाय नाउ एंड पीपल आर स्टिल नॉट गेटिंग
Yeah.
इट. That a good man, what is she trying to show? She's trying to show a good man trying to do the right thing. And it's so sad when people don't get that. I'm like, and you know, sort of it made me wonder, have we been brainwashed enough to that point as as drama audiences that we find this boring and the toxic Janisar and kaisi teri khudgardi type heroes
No, I disagree. I don't think
okay
so, that this is actually catering to that audience. It's the other way around,
okay
in my
okay
opinion. Right? I'm
okay
disagreeing with you, right?
but what if
Numair
these
is a
people are
great
one of
guy.
those audiences, don't you think?
Those audiences, no, it's catering to
Do you
you.
think they're not
It's
even
the other way
watching
around.
Jafar,
Dekho
is
na,
it?
sorry,
I'm saying, do you think
say
they're not
again.
even do you think they're not even watching Jafar? Is that it?
Oh, they're definitely watching Jaffa. Jaffa has got great ratings. But I
Yeah.
mean, obviously, I can't say. But देखो ना, Deepu is doing with the middle class thing. Middle
Hmm.
class morality यही है ना.
Yeah. आप
या
मेरे husband हैं
मैं
अब.
ऐसे pretentious. I'm being pretentious in saying middle class, but everybody, even in the elite class, कि भाई शादी हो गई है and she's, निभाओ it. कि भाई
But
I'll
मुझे
go
वहाँ
with the
missing
guy my
लगा
parents
कुछ. मुझे
chose.
वहाँ missing लगा. Sanctimonious doesn't explain her behavior. Like वो इतना प्यार करती थी उससे and she, maybe I missed it. Please explain to me if I'm missing something. What suddenly changed in her? Why is now Numair the person that she'll stick with? It was
See,
a bit.
this is what I'm saying. We needed more. Dekho, you're a
Okay.
psychologist, right? You know what a limerence is, right?
A what?
It is an obsession, right? A limerence, right?
No.
It's an obsession,
Okay.
a temporary obsession with someone.
Okay.
See,
Okay. Yeah.
love is
I
a
understand
long-term
obsession.
thing. Right. And मुझे यही लग रहा था with Deebu and that guy Moise, the way she was obsessed with him, and it was I think with such terrible parents, it was like, I think it was a kind of a rebellion in a way. छोटा
Probably.
सा एक rebellion नहीं होता कि मैंने चोरी एक फिर आप डॉक्टर बनाएंगे मुझे आप ये करेंगे, and the way she was skipping around with him and the whole पूरा मोहल्ला including her college, everybody knew about their quote unquote affair. बड़ी भोले तरीके से दिखाए, लेकिन there was something about it, and I think that the director Danish
Nawaz.
Danish Nawaz, I think he did his best to fill in the gaps.
Yeah.
What he did was when you moved, saw Moise, suddenly it all came back to her, their purani jo unke romance thi and etc. And she realized that it didn't mean that much to her.
Okay,
Right?
that
Not
way.
as much as her relationship with Numair, but why? I mean, it could have been explained.
Yeah,
Right?
I felt that too. I felt that too. But chalo,
Yeah,
at
I
least.
did that. It wasn't deep, like otherwise she wouldn't have dropped him. See, and this is another thing that I'm fearing. I don't think Samira Fazal is a shallow writer. You won't see the Moise is not disappeared.
No. There are scenes where he's coming back. You'll see. There are scenes in the OST. There are more altercations to come between Muiz and Deebu. So yeah, he's definitely not
Yeah,
gone.
but not just the threats of I will expose you, yeah,
No.
and all that kind of stuff.
No. Some
But
other stuff.
I think a person like Deebu, she's very immature, right? So, suddenly she decides for Numair. So what I'm thinking is she is going to have some kind of वो क्या कहते हैं, regrets or whatever, because अभी the kind of relationship that Numair and Deebu have, it's going to take time to build up.
And the mother is also mad.
Yeah, she's crazy in the head.
And also Muiz, I don't think has let her go. She has let go of him, so to speak.
Right.
But Muiz has not let her go. So I think she might still try to enter her life again, thereby where she will, will face that struggle. Props to the team of Jaffa for picking up on issues which are very upper middle class, but also middle class issues, but people are not going into the depth of it as well as they have in the show.
We talk about Mohib Mirza and what amazing acting he did.
Yeah.
The way he did everything, और फिर फौरन ना छोटा बच्चा बन गया. हाय मेरे से क्या हो गया? हाय ये क्या हो गया? I mean, excellent acting. And there was a sort of arrogance at the end, कि क्या कर लेगा?
And you noticed him getting a bit annoyed at Zara's father also when he says that तुमने हाथ कैसे लगाया? तुमने ये, मैं तुम देखो मैं तुम्हारे साथ क्या करता हूँ, मैं लॉयर को करूंगा ये वो. So it's like you can see that he is trying to kind of like keep his calm, but he's getting angry, and you'll see that Hulk leash out soon.
Yeah,
Yeah.
I don't think वो इतना भोला है जितना वो pretend कर रहा है.
No. And I think there's more to his story. But yeah, we need to like move on to other dramas
Right.
before we continue talking about Jafar for the next 20 minutes,
Well,
which we
Jaffa is
can.
always my weekly trigger is Jaffa, right?
Right. So I think I want to move on to the romance and the love that we see in Kabhi Main Kabhi Tum and Gentleman. And Gentleman to me is that drama which makes me smile like an idiot every week now. And I think that I've seen Humayun look good, and Humayun does look good. Obviously, he's a very good looking
Humayun
man.
looks incredible in
But
this.
the way Haitham kind of adds this softness to him, I've never seen it before. And the kind of like there's this scene where Munna comes and he tells Zarnab that
It's so overwhelming that the star power and
God,
charisma in this, it's like
it's like
overwhelming.
annihilating everything. So yeah, so I think that there is something about Humayun, and that's always like a good actor or a good looking actor or a hero when he's in the hands of someone like we've seen what Haitham has showcased Fawad as, and what he's done with Sanam Baloch in Durre Shehwar. You just like your heart just goes out to her, you know. And in Dastan, you just like you're dying at how beautiful Sanam and Fawad look together. So here, I think that I was amazed at how good Humayun looked, and I think that the softness he added to Munna and the believability in scenes which are quite weird if you just look at them in paper. Sorry, Khalil Saab, don't kill me. But
I'm not sorry. I mean, I've written in my review, right, that this kind of rhetorical style, I mean, it's every second sentence is a riddle that you have to kind of like, abhi hai kya kaha hai?
No, but
Abhi hai kya?
nobody, like you can have 2 or 3 dialogues like that for impact, but the conversation between Mifra and Munna is just spoken in tongues. And like both of them are so fabulous in that scene that scene is not what it was on paper. On paper, it was just like लफाजी. और उर्दू में ऐसी जबान को कहते हैं मुकफ्फा मुसज्जा तहरीरें, जिन जो बहुत गाढ़ी और इतनी कोई डेंस, और वही जैसे आपने कहा ना रिडल निकाली जाओ. मुकफ्फा मुसज्जा तहरीरों में ये होता है कि even the language is difficult. You're using difficult words to sound,
rhetorical
sophistry, बिला वजह की sophistry जिसे हम कहते हैं. लेकिन उर्दू में ये जो इनकी जबान है ना, ये ऐसे इस्तिलाह बार बार इस्तिलाह, मैं नाम तो मेरा भाई है, मेरा नाम मुन्ना है लेकिन लोग मुझे भाई कहते हैं, that kind of stuff. And I feel like the way that Humayun and Sohail carried it off, like bhai, hats off and hats off to Haitham for keeping it tight and together. Bhai, varna it would have exploded in everyone's face. So it was just like executed so well. It was done so well. And oh my God,
I really enjoyed the last few episodes, but I'm gonna say again and again, right? If normally Haitham Hussain as a director, he's very strict about episodes. He has in a time when we have 50 plus episodes, he's made 19 and 25 episode series. Okay, that's enough, because there is this thing about fully conceptualizing the story start to finish, right? You have the beginning, you have the middle, and very few of our directors do that, unfortunately, because of commercial issues. I'm not going to put them down.
Commercial issues होते हैं, और वो भी बनने चाहिए. हाँ, बिल्कुल.
Yeah, pressures होते हैं उनके ऊपर के, look, we've got to complete this, get it over with. इतना तो substance है नहीं story में, तो चलो get it over with. But you know, Khalil Rahman Qamar has already complained कि मेरे 2 लाइनें चेंज किए थे and blah 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 blah, right? So I think that this show needed like editing like nothing else. It needed
a director's treatment
and sharper. It needed a hard editing.
I agree.
But you know, if you're not allowed to, then what can you do, right? आगे वो complain कर रहे हैं.
नहीं भाई, मुझे सिर्फ यही है कि ये जो तहरीरें और तकरीरें खलील साहब लिखते हैं वो कभी कभी बहुत अच्छी होती हैं, और वो थोड़ी से मेजर में सिनेमा पे भी बहुत अच्छी लगती हैं. लेकिन जब वो ड्रामा लिख रहे होते हैं तो वो इतने मल्टीपल सीन्स ऐसे जब लिख देते हैं, तो वो हुमायूं और सोहाई कैरी ऑफ कर सकते हैं, बाकी कोई इतना आसान नहीं है उनको. और सोहाई तो इतनी कोई अमेजिंग लग रही है, और इतना कोई इसका जबरदस्त काम है. शी लुक्स लाइक अ स्टार, इतनी वो हसीन लग रही है.
She
Or
has such a lot of screen presence. It's amazing. I
it's
don't know why
amazing.
we don't see her in more
I think she
dramas.
got
She's
busy
so
with
good.
like her
Right.
family and her
Mm.
like her kids and everything. So I don't think I don't, that's probably why I think we don't see her much. But I think she shares such great chemistry with Humayun. I think they should be cast together properly in some kind of show. And even the scene between Yumna and
Okay,
Munna.
my personal vote, Humayun, if you're watching, Dure Fisher. Okay.
Yeah, you've been saying that, Dure Fishna. Yeah. No, but I think that between Yumna and Humayun and Sohai and Humayun, those two scenes had such connection because I said this also that one is love and one is confrontation. And it's like that Keanu Reeves quote, right? Like if if you're a lover, you got to be a fighter. So you see this fire in Munna because he does love her that much. And that's why those two scenes stood out for me so much, because there is so much love and anger there. This like residual anger and real anger. And even when he's like telling her off, kind of, Zarnab, that is the nikah and we're getting married and you have to just deal with it. It's just like so full of there's an energy to it.
A lot of emotion there.
Emotion
And
there.
I think what it is also a cultural clash, right?
Mm.
Zanab is a very communicative person. She's a journalist,
Yeah.
right? So
Yeah.
she is expecting ha ya na, yes
Uh,
or no,
uh,
right? And he's like sharmaifying and amazed that this is
yeah.
happening at all, right? So I think there was a lack of communication, which, like a grown man, he actually goes and fixes instead of
Mm.
saying, Acha rehne do, I'll think
And you
about
know,
it.
it's Humayun's magic is there's this softness about heroes, which I don't think men understand, especially men of certain types who think that मैं मार धाड़ करूंगा और मैं लड़की को पटा लूंगा. I think if all the woman wants is that she can see that soft side of you, where you're just like talking to her like you really, really would do anything for her. And he is like, and you know, again, the lines that are written that are coming out of his mouth seem that they may have been a bit macho, but he says it with such tenderness and strength that it's just, you're like, oh my God, I love him. Like, hello.
Yeah.
So he's just too good. He's just too good.
Can we talk about Adnan Siddiqui, because he was fantastic this episode,
Allah,
last one ना
बिचारा.
वो ना black comedy की इंतहा नहीं होती वो it was brilliant, right?
Yeah.
ये मेरी टांगे, and he's such a macho man and such a poisonous snake. तो
Yeah, and
जब
to
खुद
see him
को
in those
चोट
hospital
लगती है,
scrubs is a fabulous
right?
idea. Yeah,
Well,
yeah.
brilliant.
Very
And
nice.
and the way he's handling his fall from grace, कि मैं तो बड़ा powerful था, तू कह के मुझे बुला रहा है. It was all very well done.
Yeah,
Very
very, very well
beautifully
done.
done.
And the
Hmm.
romance that
Uh,
we're getting these
hmm.
days in our dramas, Sadaf, we're getting it in Zat Pato Ka Van, Kabhi Main Kabhi Tum, Gentleman.
Some cute scenes in Zar
अरे
Pato
भाई
Ka.
मेरा तो दिल खुश हुआ हुआ है, मतलब all the other depressing stuff I see and I'm like, okay, I'll just watch my favorite Pakistani drama 3-4 times so that I'm just happy and I go into that little shell. And I think that what's great about all the creators who are making these dramas are understanding why the pull for K dramas exist. And we always did romance very well. It's not that Pakistan had
Yes.
to learn from K dramas. We always did romance well, but they picked up on certain elements that understood that part of that layer of K dramas. Like, for example, this scene between Fahad and Hania, where she just thanks him and then she's hugging him and he's just so grateful to be great for someone to be grateful to him, you know. And I think that the proximity, the
So
lines,
we turn to Kabhi
Kabhi
Main
Main
Kabhi.
Kabhi Tum. And
Yeah.
I just found it so nice. And I think that it's so refreshing that we understand that these small moments are what make romance so great. And again, I know you will say that, Sadaf, Mevish, this is not our battle, but I think this is where Bollywood is missing it completely. Because Lapata Ladies, which
It's
is one of
not
my
our battle. It's
yeah,
not our battle.
but
I'm going
because
to
as
say it again.
I'm such a huge consumer of Bollywood, I was, and I'm not
I used to
anymore.
be.
I used to be too, but I mean, Lapata Ladies is by far one of my favorite films to come out of Bollywood in the past 2-3 years.
Yeah,
And
but even that is a Netflix thing. It's not
yeah,
Bollywood,
it's not
Bollywood,
mainstream
right?
Bollywood. Yeah.
So
So, but that film also had those simple moments done so well. So I think that Kabhi Main Kabhi Tum and Zat Patto Ka Ban both had those moments. And I definitely want to end on Zat Patto Ka Ban and a little note on Bismil. So what's your take on Kabhi Main Kabhi Tum?
I'm going to say we are so mean sometimes because Imad Irfani is not the most
Yaar,
natural
I think
actor.
we're
He's
we're
not the
mean to
most
him, but
natural.
he's
Yeah.
so good looking, like mirror
In this, he
cracking.
is perfect. He
Oh
is
God.
the like A-class jerk. You know, just JERK. कि बीवी घर में है, you dropped Sharjina, you did all of this to get this woman, right? And now, and she knows him. She knows him
Hmm.
very well. अच्छा, notice how एक दूसरे को वो समझते हैं, and he's making that coffee and he's looking कि इसको लाड हो रहे हैं. लाड तो मुझे
Hmm.
होने चाहिए, सारी उम्र मैं लाड करवाता रहा हूँ.
Ah.
तो बात हो
Those
अगर
side eyes he's doing very
money
well.
and
Yeah.
Shajina.
Yeah.
Also, Shajina is a very attractive woman, obviously,
Hmm.
right? And I think they've hinted at it last week when her friends were talking कि कितनी effort बेचारी रबाब को करना पड़ता है to look good in front of Mr. Handsome, right? I mean, and I'm like, okay, conventionally handsome. Personally, I think Fahad Mustafa is looking better, but then I'm one of those people that's turned off by bad personalities. I mean,
I think all of us,
Imad
Sadaf.
Irfani is very good looking, but
He
because
is
his
he's
personality
got like
is,
those Superman
yeah,
Clark Kent good
yeah,
looks, man.
yeah. He's very kind of European good looks.
Yes.
But the thing is, his behavior as a jerk is like, then, but he is so arrogant. I think he's doing a good job. And I
Yeah.
think that that Rabab with her undertone, I think we said last week as well, I think the whole cast is working really well.
Hmm.
And but I'm kind of sad right now with this thing. I think it's a comment on parenting as well.
Oh
पता
yeah.
नहीं क्यों हमारे कल्चर में ये होता है, इस बच्चे को जितना हम लोग बिलिटल और जलील करेंगे उतना अच्छा कहीं निकलेगा.
हाँ हाँ
It doesn't
हाँ
always
हाँ.
work that
एंड
way.
सदफ आपने ये नोट किया है कि हम जब बेटियों के साथ ये करते हैं तो उनकी सेल्फ एस्टीम वो कर देते हैं, और जब बेटों के
Hmm.
साथ करते हैं तो बेटे डिस्टेंट हो जाते हैं. सेल्फ एस्टीम
Yeah.
दोनों की रुइन होती है, बट हम लोग औरतें दिखाते हैं डिफरेंट. हम लोग डोरमैट बन जाते हैं, उन लोगों की सारी जिंदगी अप्रूवल मांगते हैं जिनकी हमें जरूरत नहीं होती, और मर्दों को हम वो बना देते हैं कि they become these offhand creatures who don't care about anything except themselves and protecting their own ego and whatever. And I think that what I love about Fahad's offhand portrayal or depiction of Mustafa is that, oh, by the way, I don't know if you know this, his real name is Mustafa. Fahad is his surname.
Oh, okay. Good.
Fahad Tunio, his father's name was Fahad Tunio.
Mhm.
So he took his father's name. His actual name is Mustafa, actually. So I don't
Okay.
know, a bit of trivia for people who didn't know. I think most people knew that, but I don't know. So I think that what is great about that is that Fahad makes it so believable, because we've seen this boy amidst us, one of our cousins or brothers or people who are men who are constantly shattered. And I think Farhat does this so well. She does this whole empowered woman doesn't have to be this battami, screaming, tearing down walls wali bandi. She's this very calm, composed, communicating her problems really simply, like this little speech that Sharjina delivers to that boy Adil, about when he's like, oh, tumne ye kya kar liya? And by that time that Mustafa leaves, she's like, aapne choose kiya na ye, maine apni zindagi choose ki hai, he's the love of my life. So I mean, the way that she does this, and she does this in all her dramas, Farhat, is so good. It's so good. It's like women having voices, and that does not necessarily have to like bring the house down, screaming, shouting, and only speaking when the world has fallen on her completely. No, she uses her voice when she needs to, and that doesn't mean that the
Shajina is not
plot is
Khirat.
over.
Khirat की और personality थी.
But
Khirat
खैरत
was
भी
a wonderful
बोलती थी
person.
भाई. खैरत
Oh, when
बोलती थी.
she wanted
हाँ
to say
हाँ.
something, this is
नहीं,
what
और
I love about.
खैरत कभी
Yeah.
इस तरह नहीं पीछे हटी के she was heartbroken, disappointed that he didn't believe her. It wasn't that she couldn't clear the misunderstanding because she wrote that big letter because she couldn't do anything else. And if you remember, this is a time when WhatsApp was not that common. You know, we're talking again 12 years ago. Oh my God, Humsafar was 12 years ago. Huh? So you know, she wasn't the silent suffering type. She was just
Thank you. I never think of Khirat as a
no.
diplomat. A lot of people, I saw a lot of blogs written and a lot of terrible things written.
Because she
But
does come off as like that, but
no,
no.
I too was frustrated कि ये बोलती नहीं,
Me
लेकिन
too.
when she needed to, she spoke.
She did. No,
Right?
but सदफ वो जो मोमेंट था ना, द क्रिटिकल मोमेंट, जिसको बहुत सारे लोगों ने मिसअंडरस्टैंड किया कि इसने एक्सप्लेन क्यों नहीं किया. भाई आपने ड्रामा सही देखा नहीं शायद, बिकॉज वो जो मोमेंट था, she was just heartbroken with him, and she was heartbroken with the whole situation, and she just decided it's better off to just walk off. that was what was critical about doing what
she
was right.
Suffering. Wasn't she pushed or something? She was physically, I think she fell over.
उसको घर से बाहर निकाल दिया था, और फिर वो कुर्सियों पे, कुर्सी कह रही हूँ, सीढ़ियों पे बैठी हुई थी जो घर के बाहर, दरवाजा था ब्राउन दरवाजा उसके.
She still wrote him a letter.
हाँ, she still wrote him a letter.
And it was like somehow everything is overwhelming, and you realize also that she was very young. She's not
and pregnant.
Graduate. Yeah. Young and pregnant and very unsure with nothing.
And relatively sheltered, even given her life. She was one of those simple, normal girls. And again, that's what's the brilliance of Farhat. She writes these simple, normal girls so well, like in Zubia or Khirad, and now we see in Sharjina.
No, but I mean, she doesn't write idiots. That's the thing, right? Because we have in Dil Nadan, we have an idiot. Like, I want to check the people will get angry with me, but I want to check her mental IQ, perhaps. I mean, it's kind of like surprising that she has the brain capacity to walk, right? Oh my gosh, her brain is functioning. She can walk.
Oh, that bad.
गिरती है, कभी गाड़ी के आगे आ जाती है, कभी कुछ. But Farhat Ishtiaq heroines are not like that. They may be simple, they may be sweet, but
and they may be in predictable circumstances, but stupid they are not. Yeah.
No, they're not stupid.
No.
And Sharjina is a very strong character, by the way. She made a decision to marry Fahad Mustafa. Achha, this is another thing, and I think that maybe we can finish up on this, right? Is that you pointed this out as well, that we don't see people, not necessarily neurodiverse, but people who learn differently. Right? Let us keep out of that neurodiverse thing, because I did ask, and she said, "No, it's a lack of confidence," right? So people who learn differently, people whose brains may be mature later in life. Some people like Sharjina and Adil, who is Imad Fani's character, and this is a message to parents, right? That some people are very good with books. Some people know how to fit into the school system, and then some people, they take time. Their brains mature later, and they have a very, I mean, I think of my own brother. He's first of all, he's a pharmacist, and then he's a MD doctor, and then for fun he decided, okay, I'm going to do masters in cardiology now, right? And that was his idea of fun, right? Some people are like that. Other people are like me. They like to watch dramas. Right?
So, no, but Sadak, this is why I say that someday I'll debate Farhat about it if I ever get the chance. I'm very sure he's neurodiverse.
Why don't we ask her?
We will. No, but I want to, because you said that she's clear that he's not. The reason why I say it, because neurodiverse people are very good visual learners. They are not book learners.
Right.
And words, and when you say that, oh, they learn differently, learning now, I mean, because sometimes even people think that, oh, neurodiverse means that. Now what they're classifying as neurodiversity is even people with different learning needs are being classified under that. They're not necessarily autistic. They're not. But any kind of like differences in, so there's neurotypicals and neurodiverse is like the extrovert, and introvert could also be neurotypical, neurodiverse, or the visual learners, or the dyslexic, or the non-dyslexic. So the way that they are categorizing now is very rapid and dynamic. So that's why I'm saying that it will be very interesting to pick Farhat's brain.
Let us ask. I will request. I mean, obviously she's busy.
And I don't think she'll agree, but
we've had some people talk to us before.
But we can at least show her this video and say that we hope that she'll give us her feedback.
I think that would be interesting. That would be so fascinating, because I think we have a tendency to write people off. ये किताबें नहीं पढ़ रहा, ये नहीं कर रहा, वो नहीं कर रहा, but there are different intelligences.
भाई गार्डनर की थ्योरी है उस और बहुत पुरानी थ्योरी, अब तो बहुत पता नहीं क्या क्या कुछ आ गया, कि जो हमने अपनी किताबों में पढ़ी थी कि 7 टाइप्स ऑफ इंटेलिजेंस होते हैं. जैसे आपने क्रिकेटर्स देखे होंगे who can throw a great yorker or have a swing a great cover drive, but they may not be able to do math well, or they will not be able to do other things well. Similarly, there's bodily intelligence, there's a different kind of like spatial intelligence, emotional intelligence. A lot of people are emotionally very intelligent but may not be able to do a lot of other, like maybe they won't be able to play sports well. I'm one of those people. I think I'm very emotionally intelligent, but I will not, मैं क्रिकेट में I'll be the, मैं पहली बॉल पे आउट होने वालों में से हूँ. तो जो है वो हर बंदा का अलग होता है उसका.
And also we need to sometimes give people a second chance or time. And I think this is shown up in a lot of the dramas recently. You know, from Hum Kahan Ke Sache was brilliant. That also showed it. And then in Jaffa, it's showing different learning styles. And now in this, he's not unintelligent, jo Mustafa ka character. He's
he's very
actually very
bright.
perceptive. He understands his mother, very difficult woman, और उसको handle करता है. अच्छा, I love that joke in the beginning. He said, अच्छा अब समझ आ गई है ना कि मैं adopted हूँ. कहाँ से लाए थे आप लोग मुझे ना? तो that's his
And Fahad
defense.
is making it even better. Yeah.
Humor and humility is his defense mechanism. He protects himself.
Yeah.
But he doesn't love his family less, even though they're constantly insulting him. You know?
Of course. No,
there's nobody bitter. Have you noticed there's nobody bitter in this thing, na?
No, but that is the part and parcel of growing up in a South Asian household. You just you gotta learn to love the hate, So I just wanna wrap up quickly because we only have like 10 minutes. We do this because we wanna wrap it up in an hour. वरना आप लोग भी सोचेंगे कि क्या है 2 घंटे से दोनों औरतें बोलते चली जा रही हैं. तो हमारे पास जो कुछ टाइम रह गया सदफ, I wanna talk about Zat Patton Ka Ban and Bismil.
Oh, I just caught a little bit of Zat Patton Ka Ban because it was so cute that I saw this really adorable scene. सजल ने अपने वो चेहरे के ऊपर ना दुपट्टा या चादर डाल देती है, and that guy, he's looking down on her.
Yeah, that's a lovely scene.
It was so romantic, so sweet. Whoever thought it up, I love it.
Yeah, but my favorite scene was different. My favorite scene was the last scene where जो freeze होता है जो episode जिसपे वो ये है कि she says that he says अच्छा तो तुम फलां चाची से डरती हो, and she's like no, मैं अपने आप से डरती हूँ. He's like क्या वो बातें बनाती हैं, and she's like no, वो सच कह रही हैं. And then she just looks at him and then she leaves.
Yeah,
and
I
then
saw
he's
that
like,
too.
So you don't expect girls like that to come up with a confession like that, but he's
what a subtle, sweet way of doing it. It wasn't like suddenly sabke samne that I'm going to propose marriage. There was recently a lot of stuff about it's okay for a woman to propose, right? I think that's fine, but putting that much pressure on someone in public, I'm not sure if that works.
Let's see. अगले episode में कुछ है ऐसा वैसे. Let's see.
Let's see. But I'm not sure if that works. But having said that, it was very subtle, very sweet. जो ये सज्जल और इसका interaction था.
She's so beautiful, यार.
इतनी प्यारी लग रही है, इतनी प्यारी. How could he say no?
And he's so good. Like I think we also take Hamza Sohail's ability to have that chemistry for granted because he's got that baby face. But he is like, अब देखिए आप सहर खान देख लें, totally different performer, totally different drama, different setting, different role, and then you have this very hard core role in Zat Patton Ka Ban, difficult storyline, and कोई इतने इनके सीन ज्यादा हैं भी नहीं. फेरी टेल में तो they constantly sparred. यहाँ तो कोई इतने सीन भी नहीं है इनके. उसमें भी उसने इतना अच्छा काम किया है. I'm like भाई ठीक है, this guy is a romance king. इसको दे दो ये वाला crown because बहुत
not just a romance king. I think he's done in Badshah Begum. He's one of those people who's actually trying hard to be an actor. Right? And
no, he's a good actor. He's a good actor.
He's working at it. Sometimes he misses the boat on a few things, but mostly he's a good actor.
I think when he doesn't step out of himself, he misses the boat. Like for example, when he becomes too Hamza Sohail, he goes back to that zone, that green zone he's in. But I think that he's such a good actor and he's got so much potential for a lot of other roles that he might be able to do. So Hamza, we're rooting for you and we hope that you do amazing stuff. Sort of wrapping up is, have you seen Bismil? Have you got anything to say about it? Okay, please tell me what's your take. Nahi, pehle aap batayenge.
Okay, I mean, look, we could tell what the entire story was from the teasers, right? So Hareem Farooq is this girl, right? A girl in quotation marks, right? But Kamar Khan can be a girl, so can Hareem Farooq, right? Sure. I don't mind सारे हीरोज जो हैं वो बॉयज बने
वो
होते हैं।
बॉयज हैं तो women भी गर्ल्स हैं, इट्स ओके, चलता है।
Right. So she's very materialistic. She's forcing her father to जहाँ काम करता है, she's asking to use his chauffeur ताकि she can keep up impressions in the. So she's very materialistic, and chance luck, she gets a chance to get in with this very wealthy family. Now, of course, वो जो बेटा है वो तो मानता नहीं है. He dismisses her. He doesn't even look at her. And I think she get her hooks into the and become the second wife of the father.
Yeah,
And
this is what we know.
She's kind of vulnerable as well because she's really upset that she was ignored. So it's not a bad script. Zanjabil Ahsan ki script hai. Ahsan Talish is the director. But I find these things very uncomfortable. They may be true, maybe stuff happens, but these things are very uncomfortable to watch.
No, that's not my issue. ये तो होता है, ऐसी बहुत कहानियां सुनी हुई है मैंने.
Yeah, but unfortunately, and this is the thing in the writing, I will give credit to Zanjabil, who has recently kind of stepped up her game with Noor Jahan, right? So what she has done is she's shown the little seeds of dysfunction, from the first episode. Uncle jo hai, I say uncle, I apologize, Nomari right? His character is already complaining about his wife being controlling. छोटे-छोटे dialogue हैं that reveal a lot about their relationship. She's such a boss. I mean, they can be sweet things, and there's something about him that shows that, yeah, this aadmi, given a chance, he's a Turk, right? Oh, Turkey.
He's gonna panja maar sakta hai,
open. Yeah. And unfortunately, this happens. I mean, oh gosh, we had this. I've seen it, our next door neighbor, right? My husband said, hi, Mr. XYZ. I'm not going to say his name, right? Howdy, neighbor. And he goes, not for long, right? And, Americans, they're very open. And my husband's, why not for long? I'm leaving. He was leaving his marriage of 20 years to open a bar.
Then. Nice. Well, at least he's getting to live life.
Midlife crisis होता है. So
नहीं, मुझे तो बिस्मिल वही पल्पी सा था, तो जो उसकी पल्पी कैटेगरी में वो मजे का लगा. हरीम के ऊपर मेरा टेक है, शी इज वेरी फनी. आई थिंक शी हैज दिस वेरी कॉमेडी वाला, उसने क्योंकि बहुत कॉमेडी की हुई है ना, सीरीज मूवीज ऐसे किए हुए हैं बहुत, तो उसके अंदर जो जब वो वैसे वाली एक रियल लड़की बन जाती है ना, तो मुझे बड़ी मजे की लगती है. एंड आई थिंक दैट इज व्हाट मेक्स हर वेरी like not that pulpy heroine like the heroines that Hiba Bukhari usually does.
Self-aware.
और थोड़े से वो
है उसके, जो under her breath she says yes, अपने आप को समझते क्या है, it looks real.
और आपने बिल्कुल सही कहा कि राइटिंग अच्छी है, तो उसमें ये होता है ना कि जैसे बहुत सारी चीजें ऐसी हैं कि यू सी हर जस्टिफिकेशन फॉर के मेरे बाप को मार के चलेगी. मतलब जब उसको 3 लाख रुपए देते हैं ना, तो वो कहती है कि अच्छा देखा था बैग कितने का पहनी हुई थी, तो मुझे 3 लाख रुपए देके चली गई. और ऐसा होता है ना, हमें लगता है कि जब उसका बाप अस्पताल में लेटा होता है और सवेरा नदीम आती है और उनको पैसे वैसे देके चली जाती है, तो आई थिंक होता है हमारे यहाँ के हम समझते हैं कि जो हमसे ऊपर है वो ऊपर कैसे चला गया, हम डिजर्व करते हैं उसके पास जो कुछ है. और आप एक टर्म यूज करती हैं सदफ, जो मुझे बड़ा अच्छा लगता है, जो कि मैं हमेशा यूज करती हूँ, वो है अल्लाह की तकसीम. जब अल्लाह ने एक चीज तरीके से तकसीम कर दी है, यू जस्ट हैव टू लर्न हाउ टू बी ग्रेटफुल फॉर व्हाटएवर यू हैव. इट्स नॉट लाइक यू chinify it from someone and then get more. And people who do that don't do that, because that's not okay. So
बात जो आप छीन के लेते हैं वो रास नहीं आती, because Allah has not decided.
ये तो मैं नहीं यकीन करती कि उस पे रास नहीं आती. मुझे लगता है अल्लाह मियां ने ये दुनिया सजा जजा के लिए बनाई नहीं है, और लोग करते हैं फिर उनको जो चॉइसेस वो लेते हैं, कुछ सही लेते हैं, कुछ गलत लेते हैं, तो वो चॉइसेस ही डिसाइड करती है ना फिर हमारा फ्यूचर. तो मुझे लगता है कि वो यू सी द पेरेंट टेलिंग हर कि नहीं देखो बेटा कुछ नहीं होता, अगर उसने हमें जो दे दिया, हमें बहुत हमारे लिए एहसान किया. आजकल लोग वो भी नहीं करते. फिर उसको सैलरी मिलती है 50,000, उस पर भी वो मुंह बना देती है, क्या मतलब मैं 50,000 पे काम करूंगी, और इस तरह करके द वे दैट शी
a pretty generous salary for a starting out person.
Well, for somebody who has zero experience and who's just being offered this as a favor. As a favor. So my whole take on Bismil is that it's very pulpy. But it's a good watch. It's a fun watch. I was not expecting it to be a fun watch. I thought it would be really unbearably formulaic. It's not. It is formulaic, but it's not bad. And I think that Hareem is, despite the fact that yes, we show these girls in our industry who've been working for so long as still younger women, but वही बात है, men भी कर रहे हैं, औरतें भी कर रही हैं, तो अब ये stars हैं, हमारे बड़े stars हैं, तो ज़ाहिर है ये भी करेंगे ना, इसी तरह के roles करेंगे, ये जा रहे हैं.
What gets me is that could easily be fixed, right? They could say कि इसकी बस शादी नहीं हुई, पैसे नहीं थे, जहेज नहीं था, को पसंद नहीं आया, इसकी शादी, she's approaching her 30s, she's right.
वो भी work कर सकता था वैसे.
Kind of thing.
They
and
didn't
that,
have to show her as a fresh graduate, bilkul. And then the same girl, you know, went after this still older man. He's still much older. And Maneja is still much older.
It would like in Umaira Ahmed stories, right? If we look back at Dam, right? Recently that was in the, you know, it reminded because, you know, the singer that way. So Dam में भी यही होता है कि भाई, you know, sometimes people get left behind. Late होती है because circumstances, and that would explain her bitterness as well, right?
Yeah. मगर वही बात है ना कि हमारे यहाँ वो स्टोरीज लिखने की स्पेसेस इतनी नहीं दी जाती हैं, और वो भी ये वाला जो स्लॉट होता है और ये जो उनको बनाना होता है ड्रामा, जो रेटिंग लेकर आए, व्यूज लेकर आए, तो वो तो ड्रामा ऐसा ही होगा जिसमें वो होंगी ग्रेजुएट ही, ताकि ऑडियंस काइंड ऑफ रिलेट करे. वो यही स्टेरियोटाइप चलता रहा है. दैट्स ऑल द टाइम वी हैव नाउ. सदफ, थैंक यू सो मच गाइस फॉर योर कमेंट्स. थैंक यू सदफ फॉर ऑलवेज गिविंग मी योर टाइम. Guys, let us know what we're missing. Is there a drama that we missed? I think we missed something. Why do I feel like I've missed a drama? Have I missed a drama?
I don't think we're doing Ishq Hua, वो जो क्या इस लड़के का नाम है, जो हरून कदवानी का ड्रामा है.
I'm hearing good things about it. Maybe it's good.
Actually, I think it's a lot weaker than his previous ones, and he
has he improved? Oh,
actually,
well, I think Azan has improved. One drama which I caught a few scenes of and I just want to write off is Kaisi Hai Ye Ruswai. Such a disaster. Just so sad for Farhan Saeed. And I think it was when Hania had freshly gotten her work done on her face. It's just like all of the lip acting is very loopy. The sound is off. Like literally you can see Kinza Hashmi's character going, please, mujhe mat maro, maine kuch nahi kiya. And her words are going in one direction and the mouth is going in another direction. Awful.
Kinza Hashmi in it as well?
Yes, Kinza Hashmi is in it. She plays I believe she plays a younger Bushra Ansari. It's just, it's a train wreck. It's an absolute train wreck, and so sad for Asma Nabil, because may she rest in peace. She has passed away. It's her posthumous work being done now, and so sad because it's a.
Let's try and cover Hum Dono, okay? Because I you know, we're not we, but I definitely was very much this Azan Sami Khan is, but he's improved so much. I think he deserves a, you know, and Kinza and that whole drama deserves a little talk.
Okay, we'll talk about it. I'm not watching, but I'll ask you about it next week. Guys, let us know if you're watching any drama that you think that we need to talk about. We're trying to talk about Hum Awards and we wanted to do a discussion, but वही बात है, यही वाला इतनी मुश्किल से किया हमने ये वाला डिस्कशन, बट दिस इज सो इम्पोर्टेंट. और हम अवार्ड्स वाले वो तो वही करेंगे जो उनका दिल चाहेगा. तुम्हारे कहने से होता क्या है, सदफ कौन सुन रहा है हमारी आवाजें? बट स्टिल वी माइट टॉक अबाउट इट. लेट अस नो इफ यू गाइस हैव एनी थॉट्स. सदफ, थैंक यू सो मच वंस अगेन. बहुत शुक्रिया.
Thank you guys, and please keep the comments coming. I love reading them.
Yes, me too. Take care of yourself, guys. Take care of your loved ones, and अपना बहुत ख्याल रखिए. खुदा हाफिज.